In this video, I will show you how to lock your Google Chrome profile with a password. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get started with this, what you're going to want to do is open up Google Chrome and make sure you're logged into the profile that you want to put a password lock for. Then what you can do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots, and on this menu that comes up, come and hover over extensions. What that's going to do is bring up a sub menu, and from here you want to click to visit the Chrome Web Store. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store, come up to the search box at the top and type browser lock into here, and you're going to see the top result come up, browser lock. So it basically looks like this. If I go ahead and search for it, it's browserlock.io and the icon looks like this. So give that a click to be taken to the extension page. Now from here you're going to see a blue add to Chrome button, give that a click, and then what you can do on this pop-up is click the add extension button. What that's going to do is add the browser lock extension to Chrome. As you can see, you should get a confirmation like this, and it's going to redirect you to a screen like this. So what you need to do, if you come up to the top and click onto the tab up here, you're going to see you need to create a browser lock account. So click start now, enter your details into here. Once you've entered your details, the password that you actually enter into here is going to be the password that you're going to need to enter to unlock your browser and use Google Chrome as well. So remember to make a note of that, and then come down and click the register button underneath, which you're going to go ahead and skip past this bit. And you also need to verify your email. Once you've validated your email address, you'll be on a screen like this. Now what you need to do from here is make sure you click to run in the background. And once you've done that, you can scroll down and change some more settings in here to your own personal preferences. So now that's done, we're good to go. What I'm going to do is close down Chrome. As you can see, we're back here on my desktop. Now you're going to see if I actually double click to open up Chrome that it doesn't open. This browser lock comes up, and we've got a box here to enter our password. So what you would do is enter the passwords that you entered in when you registered. Once you've done that, click login, and as you can see, it's going to load up Google Chrome, no problem at all, and we can just use it as normal. And this is going to happen every time when someone tries to open up Google Chrome, you'll be prompted to enter the password. So that is how to lock Chrome profile with password. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.